wind just picked up, starts raining harder. I looked up over the neighbor's house and I see like trees and debris and stuff coming up and over it, you know, like the movie Twister. And my wife just goes, "Oh my God." And we look forward and all of our trees just hit the ground. Our power line fell over. We just can't believe it. I mean, we knew all this stuff was bad last night, but waking up this morning is, I mean, it's unbelievable.
I got the football team out there, and then the coach is somewhere around here. But yeah, we're just help cleaning up and making sure if anybody needs an extra hand, that they give you an extra hand, just trying to support the community. It's really cool watching it come together as all as just one big community, making sure helping each other out. I feel like it makes the community closer together as one, and it's sad, but just, I guess, bringing together. I think it's just helping grow the community. I mean, the natural disaster is not a good thing to have, but I feel like it made us closer as a community. Everybody's helping out.